8.5 Law of Sines. Number 1. In triangle x, y, and z, the measure of angle y equals 77, xy is 10, and xz is 10. To the nearest tenth, what is the measure of angle z? So let's take a closer look at it. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my triangle and fill in my known information. Now, law of sines is saying sine of an angle over top the side across from it equals another angle over top the side across from that. So I'm going to set up a proportion using my information. So I'm given 77 and the side across from it 10. So I'm going to write sine of 77 over 10 equals sine of z over 10. And now I can set up the proportion. Cross multiply, I get 10 times sine of 77 equals 10 sine of z. Then divide both sides by 10, and I get 10 sine of 77 over 10 equals sine z. Then to find the angle, I do second sine in degrees, and I get 77. Now, I could have saved myself all of this and realized, oh, these two sides are the same, so the angles across from them have to be the same. But I wanted to show you how to use law of sines, because it's not always going to be that nice. So let's type in 77. So measure of angle z is 77. And that's number 1. Number 3. Use the law of sines to find the values of b and c. So let's take a closer look at it. So using law of sines, I have 33 and then 10 across from it. So sine of 33 over 10. I'm going to find side c first. So I'll do sine of 81 over c, equal to that sine of 33 over 10. Cross multiply, I'll have 10 times sine of 81 equals c times sine of 33. Divide both sides by sine of 33, and I'll have c equaling approximately 18.1. To find side b, I need to find angle b first. So I add up these two angles and subtract from 180 to get angle b. Now I can set up my proportions. So sine of 33 over 10 equals sine of 66 over x. So then I cross multiply. 10 times sine of 66 equals x sine of 33. Divide both sides by sine of 33, and I'll be left with approximately 16.8. So let's type those in. So b is approximately 16.8, and c is approximately 18.1. And that's number 3.